Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this weddings look and dress to impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This outfit is simple yet beautiful and gorgeous, and you can put on this hairstyle to create the hair. Okay, you can combine it with this bang, and also this one. Wait, let me show you. For this one, you can color it like this, and you can choose back for the toggle and remove all the flowers. And then you're going to choose this hairstyle, make it the same color. And for this one, you can do little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, this is for this one. And combine it with this hairstyle, make it the same color, and adjust it like this. Position, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and then this hairstyle, you can choose no bangs, make it the same color, and then this bang, make it the same color, and put on this flower, make it this color, and also this one, and then put on this heels and make it white. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the changing room. Okay, and go to this menu, and then you're going to put on the skirt from the withered rose set. Okay, and for the color, just leave it like that, and then you're going to make it glitter. The next one, you're going to put on this top, and for this one, you're going to remove the bow and also the undershirt, and you're going to make it glitter. And for this one, I'm going to change the color to white. And the next one, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, and then put on this skirt, and you're going to make it white for the first selection and also the second selection, and you're going to make it glitter. Guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this wedding look and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!